Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Outlook Money Insurance Summit 2020. We have with us a very distinguished speaker to deliver the keynote address today, Mr. Vipin Anand, Managing Director of Life Insurance Corporation of India. He's had a very distinguished career with 37 years of experience with LIC, with roles ranging from international operations to information technology. LIC, of course, as we all know, has played a very vital role in creating a savings and investing culture in this country. Mr. Anand is absolutely the right person to be telling us about the way forward for the insurance industry in the post-COVID world, and of course, the trends that are shaping this industry. May I please invite Mr. Anand to deliver the keynote address. Thank you.
Thank you. Editor, Outlook Business, Ms. N. Mahalakshmi, and distinguished guests. A very good morning to all. It is a matter of great honor for me to be speaking at the 2020 Outlook Money Insurance Summit. Unfortunately, we are missing the experience of face-to-face interactions and networking opportunities. But I am happy that Outlook Business has decided to move the entire experience to a virtual platform rather than giving it a miss altogether. Nothing has brought the importance of technology more sharply in focus than the coronavirus. The pandemic has forced more and more industries to adopt technology in a big way, simply for survival, and the insurance industry is no exception. In this context, the theme of today's summit is all the more relevant. A huge adoption of new technology is in fact the new normal in the insurance sector. While COVID-19 has brought increased awareness about the importance of insurance amidst the current pandemic, there are requirements for contactless, completely digital insurance solutions. The current situation has significantly accelerated the opportunities of digital engagement and digital delivery. And this is going to see a significant jump in the migration of customers from physical to digital as the users are becoming more accustomed to digital interactions. We are going to see a significant increase in the deployment of digital means of onboarding, underwriting, KYC processing, claim settlement, reimagining employee engagement, and online customer and sales force journeys. COVID-19 situation has highly disrupted the normal operations in all sectors. Existing operations and processes have been challenged due to the restrictions and uncertain environment. There has been a shift to remote working, but then there are challenges in terms of hardware, remote connectivity, and business processes. Not all employees have the equipment or the connectivity or the savviness needed to work from home. Customers and agents both now seek omni-channel digital engagement and experience. With increased digital focus, data security is also emerging as a major concern. Customers are also facing challenges due to digital literacy levels. Agents are used to selling life insurance face-to-face, even when there is some technology and enablement. Inability to visit the clients and limited or reduced interaction does have impact on the business. Even claim payments have been hampered as submission of original documents and discharge has become difficult. Insurance is the most exciting industry today, and covering new risks for new business opportunities, creating specialized, cost-effective products for underserved segments, personalizing covers as per customers' needs, increasing profitability and rationalizing premiums, all need a huge dose of technology. The speed of development and the willingness to take advantage of the changes in the society around us while remaining fully customer-centric will decide the future of the companies in this sector. The recent advances in business technology, from big data and business analytics to blockchain and drones, have created an ecosystem for a quantum leap in the insurance sector. Predictive modeling can substantially reduce premiums and make concepts like pay per mile viable. Mobile technology, API, and IoT have already revolutionized premium payments and claim processes. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, and chatbots have elevated customer experience to an entirely different level. Blockchain and smart contracts are hugely facilitating faster and more secure accounts and claims processing. EDMS and OCR are taking us to a paperless environment. eKYC, e-policies, and DigiLockers have given teeth to client privacy while facilitating critical data sharing. Lead management systems have vastly improved sales monitoring and productivity, thereby drastically bringing down sales costs in tandem with online sales. Agents and brokers are today reinventing themselves by leveraging technology in a big way. Video calls, conferences, social media, and attention-seeking methods have totally disrupted traditional communication methods. Omni-channel customer experience is now a given. This huge dose of technology has vastly improved process efficiency and value-driven decision-making, benefiting both consumers and insurance companies in the process. We are already witnessing totally digital insurance companies making their presence felt, and it may not be long before their low-cost models start posing a serious challenge for the established players. All industries across the globe were affected in some way or another during the pandemic, irrespective of whether it was manufacturing or servicing. The demonstrable difference was that those who had a sound base and were more flexible had a shorter response time and have recovered faster. The biggest learning for all the insurers is the need to adopt an approach which is efficient and flexible at the same time. We at LIC have also seen the ability of the customers to switch to our online services quickly during lockdown, which has helped us in a big way. We need to understand the current technological opportunities available and adopt them selectively to improve the customer experience. The three major stakeholders in this scenario are the customers, employees, and sales force. Any operational model should address the concerns of all these three major categories. LIC has leveraged the latest trends and digital innovation, which have facilitated customers to access products and services with utmost ease. LIC employees have been additionally empowered with secure work from home access to ensure seamless and efficient delivery of customer services. Dedicated virtual conferencing services are being used extensively to provide a robust platform to conduct online meetings, conferences, seminars, and trainings with all stakeholders. To enable our digital initiatives, LIC network has been strengthened to ensure seamless connectivity for the applications and online services to the customers round the clock. IT has enabled all our operational segments to function at optimum levels during the lockdown by using robust online services. The same model is sustainable and scalable in the post-pandemic scenario as well. The pandemic has triggered increased predilection of individuals and institutions alike to harness the online landscape, not only for business growth, but also for sustenance. In alignment with this trend, the insurance industry is moving towards a digital creation and e-delivery environment, and LIC being the dominant market leader for so long has a special responsibility to lead in this area as well. Our processes have been re-engineered to adapt to the digital way of working. We have introduced an online underwriting application which enables the medical examiner and underwriter to work on the proposal remotely and online in tandem. LIC has enhanced the focus on digital delivery of services to customers in a self-service mode and introduced multiple facilities for customers to make submission of online requests for change of address, NEFT, PAN, etc. Online digital mechanisms enabled customers and agents alike for submission of the documents during lockdown. Customers were enabled to upload claim documents on our website. Digital collection for premium saw a huge jump in terms of the number of transactions and amount. The online customer portal, which has a user base of more than 1.57 crore customers covering more than 3.46 crore policies, provides customers with information on their policies like the next premium due date, bonus, nomination, and statement of fund value, etc. Our online sales platform seamlessly enables prospective customers to purchase policies under 6 different types of plans currently. A new business platform has been developed to enable LIC's sales channels to do the entire process of policy completion online in a seamless way, 365, 24/7. from a place of their choice. It has the provisions enabled for paperless e-KYC and e-signing of the proposals by the customer and e-signing of the agent confidential report by the agent, along with the facility of uploading the scanned documents online. It has an inbuilt online underwriting rule engine for validating the proposals entered by the user. LIC has launched a facility for paperless e-KYC, which the customer can do by simply uploading a zipped file downloaded from Aadhaar, containing his/her details, name, address, date of birth, photo, gender, etc. The process has inbuilt secure verification checks for checking the validity of the document, plus an OTP verification by the Aadhaar holder to confirm the owner of the document. E-sign facility has been launched so that the agents and customers can affix e-sign using their Aadhaar ID. LIC has introduced a chatbot, LIC Mitra, in English and Hindi both, based on conversational artificial intelligence, which is a one-stop platform for providing information regarding premium due date, various products of LIC, including newly launched plans, and customer queries, FAQs related to policy servicing and claims. LIC will be introducing more and more artificial intelligence and machine learning driven solutions for customers, employees, and agents in the coming years. Online trading sessions are being conducted by all our training centers to enable people to handle technology effectively. LIC has also leveraged technology in the agency recruitment process with a portal and app, both of which have been developed in-house. We have been able to recruit more than 1 lakh new agents during the pandemic period. During the same period, we have sold 78 lakh new policies and also settled more than 1 crore claims. Life insurance is a long-term contract, and hence there are multiple factors affecting customer loyalty. Insurance being a promise, trust is the foremost factor among all other things. However, a new important and vital factor which has emerged recently is the experience that a customer expects from the insurer during the period of the contract. Apart from individual outlooks, expectation is also driven by the availability of the digital facilities across the market in general and competitors in particular. The primary and the most difficult aspect in designing a proper customer experience strategy is understanding the expectations of the customer. Unfortunately, there is no simple solution for this, considering the fact that we have a mixed group of customers with varying aspirations. Building a proper technological infrastructure requires careful evaluation of current offerings, its adaptability, and its early adoption by customers. This is more important given the fact that technology is fast changing and adoption has its impact on ROI. We should also keep in mind that while technology can help to a great extent in building a better customer experience, the human touch remains the most important factor in servicing. Selecting a proper strategy on customer experience is extremely important and requires careful analysis of multiple components. During the last 7 months, as many as 9.14 crore digital transactions for premium collections were made by customers through our LIC app and various other platforms. Through these 9.14 crore transactions, an amount of 37,024 crore were collected. How the customers are adopting and accepting the concept of e-payments during this period is clearly visible as digital transactions in number grew by 42.68% and in amount by 81.68%. In online sales also, due to our easy and customer-friendly interface, the business is increasing. The growth in number of new policies completed is 123.9%, and growth in premium completed under online business is 135.3% as on 31st October 2020. We are digitally transforming ourselves continuously to serve our policyholders better and to fulfill all the expectations of all our stakeholders. The use of technology in insurance has 2 major dimensions. One is the use of latest technologies to enhance the customer experience. The second is the use of advanced technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, data analytics, etc., to derive different dimensions in product offerings. Advancement in technological space has helped the insurers in coping with the volume all these years. But the recent changes in technology have given a different dimension to enhancing the customer experience. These are achieved mainly in the form of online transactions, mobile-first approach, and self-service portals, etc. The recent lockdown has also stressed the need for having a more aggressive approach in this direction. Hence, the goal of every insurer will be to make use of the latest technologies for servicing while establishing a better emotional connect with the customer by active engagement. This next level of technologies has the capabilities required to advance the industry substantially, which includes the scope of differential pricing based on various personalized factors. Going forward, every insurer also needs to be careful about the regulatory and statutory aspects when adopting technologies like data analytics, etc., as personal data is the base of all these initiatives. However, these techniques will surely disrupt the insurance industry, which will benefit customers in the long term. Thank you. Have a good day.